VleraBrite daily vlogs.
Is this one or this one?
The one that says espresso. Oh wait, I don't know.
I'll record this. I didn't try it. Usually I try it before I... Is it good? Really?
And DJ does that for me at least 3 times a week. Usually I'm in bed though.
I did it every single day so far today, this week.
Usually I'm in bed though when you do this, and it gets me out of bed. I was already awake this time. So a while ago, DJ gave me... You always do that. A while ago, DJ gave me these portal earrings as a gift, because I wanted them, and then I never wore them, so I found them today, and I'm like, oh yeah! So I decided to try them on, because I'm wearing orange, and I thought this would match, and they're really, really irritating. My ears are itchy, it's heavy, it's like hurting a little bit. I don't know if I want to wear them. I don't really wear earrings, and if I do, they're usually small. So, I don't know why I wanted these, but I'll probably wear them like in Terra games or something. Or maybe a photo shoot or something because they're cool. But, I'm gonna take them off now. What you doing, guys?
Stuff.
Beep.
Trying to change my wheels.
I see that. So the ripstick's getting operated on?
Yeah, we have no idea what we're doing.
At least we got the wheel off.
So is this like Surgeon Simulator?
Yeah.
We got a lot to do. I have to, we gotta get to work on...
where the wheel came.
Well, after this. We gotta get to work on the cover and finish that. So, Mark couldn't make it today, so DJ's gonna finish his part. I'm gonna finish mixing my vocals, and then all that will be needed is that synth that Mark needs to do, and we can shoot the video and everything. We could probably shoot the video without the synth as well, because that's not
I think we need a
needed.
hammer.
Then go get a hammer. You probably need a hammer and a screwdriver, but you already have a screwdriver.
You guys should hammer that like button. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Share your favorite in life. If you don't, you might not be a troll, but you're not